Hi, second grade. All right, we are going to do worksheet number 64. Okay, and this is sight words, part 4. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and read, and then we have a bunch of questions to go along with today's lesson. All right, so it says, seeds like rice and nuts are good to eat. If you want to buy seeds to plant, you can buy corn, peppers, or peas. If you plant these seeds, you will have trouble if they get too wet or if they don't get any sun. You can plant seeds again each spring, enough for your friends. Then the plants are gone in the winter. Some folks question, can plants grow in the ocean? The answer is yes. Those plants are seaweed. Okay, so number 1, it says, when could you have trouble with seeds? Okay, so if I go back to here, what did it talk about having trouble? See this word, so trouble. You see this word in the reading we just read a little bit? So look for that word trouble in here and see if you can find out, when could you have trouble with seeds? Okay, did you see it? It's right there, trouble. So go back and let's read that sentence, right? So you go back, whoop, all right. If you plant these seeds, you will have trouble if they get too wet or if they don't get any sun. So when could you have trouble with seeds? Too wet, right? It says that. They get too wet or don't get any sun. So if they get too wet or no sun. Okay. All right. So that is the first one. Number 2 says, what are some seeds that people like to eat? What are some seeds people like to eat? Okay. So if you go back here, it says seeds like rice and nuts are good to eat. So seeds are rice and nuts. Are those seeds? Yes. Okay. So you could say rice and nuts. Okay, the next one says, number 3, a good title for this would be. Okay, so here's the title of our worksheet, Sight Words Part 4. Okay, is that really a title of what this is? No, this is, talking about seeds, and this is just saying we're going to learn some sight words today, and this is part 4 of it, right? So if you were looking at this, and you just read this because you did, what would be a good title? Let's pretend like this line up here, this is like our title line. What could be a good title for this whole thing? What's it all about? Okay, here's my idea. I would say something like planting seeds, because it's about seeds, of course, and then planting them. So I would say like, pretending like this is the title. Right, so it would look like that, planting seeds. So a good title for this would be, or just write it down, planting seeds, right? I have capital letters, capital letter P, capital letter S, because that's a title. And then even though it looks like it's underlined, you still always underline your titles, right? Good. Okay, number 4 says, what are some of the seeds that you know? Okay, so it's not really saying what are seeds that they read about, but what are some seeds you know? All right. So let's think. I'm thinking of sunflower, comma. I'm thinking of pumpkin. What pumpkin seeds? Pumpkin. Ooh, this next one is in a muffin. Poppy, comma. Poppy. Poppy seeds. Ooh, another one. Mustard. Mustard. Okay, those are some I know. Good. All right, so the back side, go ahead and flip that over. Okay, put your name on it, and that will be your homework. Worksheet 64, sight words.